In this video of today, I'll put you through on how to delete email permanently in Outlook email address. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. The first step is to launch a web browser, and here I'll be using Microsoft Edge. Visit outlook.com and sign in. Once you sign in successfully, you'll find yourself on the inbox. So it's now left for you to start selecting the emails you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete these. So once you take your cursor to the email, you will see the checkbox. Click on it. All right. So then you keep on selecting the rest you want to delete. All right. Keep on clicking on the checkbox. So let's say I want to delete this file. After this selection, the next step is to click on delete. Okay, now that these emails have been deleted, they are not permanently deleted from this Outlook account. All right, they are moved into the deleted icons. And for you to access that, click on deleted icons. Okay, so you can see some emails you deleted in this, your section of Outlook. So now you want to delete them permanently. So you keep on checking on those emails you want to delete permanently. And after that, you have to select the option that will allow you to delete them permanently. So, and that option is here, which is empty folder. So, click on that empty folder, which is here, or you click on this empty folder that is at the top part. So, it says, do you want to permanently delete the selected conversation? Click on OK. So you can see there is no email that is left here. So everything has now been deleted permanently. Initially, when we moved them, when we deleted them from the inbox, they stay here for 30 days before they get automatically deleted. But we don't want to wait for that 30 days. That's why we permanently deleted them on our own. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. You can check out this video here to learn how to complete more tasks in Outlook. Thank you and see you some other time.